Hey all, just a quick video on how to make time slots for appointments within a Google Classroom. How I'm going to do this, I have my Google Calendar open, I have my Gmail open, I have the Google Classroom I want to put this in open. I have the student schedule just to reference. 2:30 to 3 p.m. is when we're doing the individual meetings for Tuesday through Friday. So as I come back to Google Calendar, selecting the date, I'm already into next week, the 15th, 2:30, and I clicked simply on where. I'm going to call this Nathan's Mentor Office Hours. I'm going to move over from events. If you click on the appointment slots tab, come down. Right now it's only a half hour long, as you can see, so change that to an hour long, 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. Slot durations, I'm going to change this. 30 minutes seems a little excessive for students, so I'm going to change it to 15 minutes. Another thing I want to do is, as you can see in the background, everything is blue on my calendar, and I want these to be a different color. So I'm going to select this into Nathan's Mentor group, which is actually my Google Classroom for this. So that way, as you can see, it turns them green. Last thing you want to do is go into this More Options. And this is how you're going to be able to have it so it actually repeats. So does not repeat, click on that and go to Custom. From Custom, you can see repeats one time or each week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. On. When's it going to end? I'm going to click On. And I'm going to switch this to November 6th, which is going to be right at the end of Q1. You can always change that later on if we extend virtual learning. I click Done just to double check. 2:30 to 3:30, slots of 15 minutes long, weekly Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If you wanted to, you could add a description in there. You can also preview what this page is going to look like. So students will see this, and don't be alarmed. Oh, I have to save that first. Sorry for the issue there. After I hit Save, now you can see that it blocks off that part of my schedule. If you wanted to access these, go to appointment page for this calendar. There's nothing going on this week, that's why it's blank. As I go to next week, you can see that there's the different time slots for students to sign up for. They simply click and hit save on their calendar. To give you an example of what that'll look like, I'll click on this one and hit save. And then if you want to, in your calendar, you can see down here, it already has told me that there's now an appointment at that time. From there, what you just simply need to do is be able to use this calendar invite link. If I copy that, go to Google Classroom, I can create material, title, office, hour, time, slot, sign up. I'm going to add link. I'm going to just simply paste that link, add. Now when students sign in or you click on that link, they'll be able to go to the appointment slots and sign up for one. If you have any questions, just let me know. Happy to run through that with you. Thanks.